Welcome friends, welcome to online learning box, and this is you can see pointed cloud. And in this video tutorial I can demonstrate you, and I'm going to demonstrate you how you can uh, design like this realistic type of illustration. So let's start. First of all, see, this is a grouping image. Now in this case I'm going to demonstrate you how I create this illustrations. This is a very easy step. You can easily create pointed cloud. Okay, so here you can see this is a main thing. Now you need to change this color. Okay, and now see, this is here a point we have to create for making, let's say, realistic pointed ground. So now I'm in this case I'm going to use this curvature pen tool. So it's definitely helpful for this creation. So this is something look like this. Okay, now in this case you can create another thing. Select this one, and now you can see this one is like this. It's realistic pointed crown. So it's a direct selection tool. The features of direct selection tool: when you click on this direct selection tool in any of the pointing, this anchoring point, it's definitely give you a handle. So with the help of this handle you can definitely make say different. Now hit alt once, couple of time, hit alt couple of time. There's a pointed ground illustration. So pointed ground illustration, sorry. So here and this place I need to fix this place once more and a little bit of changes. Here you can see this changes. Okay, now see this one, this one, this one. So now I'm happy with this thing. So little bit of small in size, and this is one. And now what I'm going to do here for something see for this organic type of look, hit F5 for you can see this is a brushes, and this brush is created by me. And in my previous video I have had shown you then how to create this kind of brush. So you can see my previous videos in my playlist. Search my playlist, you can clearly understand how you can make this kind of process. Okay, so I'm taking this brush and now hit here, and shortcut of this brush only press hit B, in this case here B. Okay, you can see if you move around your mouse or cursor here, so you can see this paintbrush tool, and you can immediately see here just bracket, and in this bracket shows you the shortcut of this tool. So here I'm going to give a nice widget tools. So before all of this stuff, I'm just deleting here and just forget about this thing, the shiny part. That's because light, if light comes here, so it's drop here, so a little bit of change of this color here and another part of this here, and it's create a little bit of spiny part. So how can we do this? Just check this one and this one. Okay, nice. So here bit up. Now take this color once time. Now another, hit alt for making another this type of uh, circle. Okay, now selecting all of these things, now hitting alt once, and sorry, and now save builder tool, or with the help of save builder tool, and press alt. If you press alt, you can see immediately in the, underneath of this cursor, a minus bracket appears, and I hit OK here, and hit here, and hit here. So your extra part is removed. Now this is another very good trick, and you can definitely use in your illustrations. So here, this color, and now another color will pick up from this, sorry, I pick up from this. Okay, now most of this word is now okay. Now taking this one, and now okay. So sorry about this, what happened here. So now it's makeup. Okay, now see, this is your final thing. Now for this, selecting everything, hit alt. Now take one thing and selecting this one, and here you can see this manage everything. You can manage these things. So now hit this brush, and now what I'm going to do here, just arbitrary pick some cases here, in this case this type of shape. Now select this, join this one, and now this one. Okay, now don't worry about this outside of this stroke. Okay, it's natural, no problem. I will fix this problem, and definitely you can learn something how you can fix this problem. This one you can easily create this kind of thing, and this curvature type of thing, it's give you a organic type of look. So it's nice organic look. So here it's another stroke. Now join this, everything joined here. Now selecting all of this stuff. Now you can go with this pathfinder tools, and I'm always go with this shape builder tool. I think this better here. So selecting all of these things, and now here you can see this shape builder tool. Now hitting alt and removing this extra part. Okay, this extra part, remove this extra part, remove this extra part, and this things, extra things. Okay, sorry. Oh. And now this remove here, this remove, 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 remove. Okay, nice. It's everything It's done. Now here a little bit of funny things appear, so I need to fix it. So what we are going to do here, just see this things and a little bit of unhappy. Now we need to fix this one. I need to fix this one here and drop it here. So uh, it's almost done. Now we need to do one thing, just shift control and the presses bracket here once more. So here our this pointed ground is ready. Pointed ground is ready. And now what I'm going to do, just taking this color here, and now see this one. Okay, now this is something like a organic type of look. So now you can create more funny things with this pointed crowd. You can make its eyes, funny eyes, see like this. You can make like this. You can make funny eyes for funny mouth here. I'm going to do with the this tool and check it out and see the says one. And okay, and now it's what I'm going to do here, just take it out. Now for this case here, uh, this case, okay, now completely white for the portions. Now delete this part. Okay, once more for this part, take it out, selecting everything once more. Okay, delete this part, delete this part, and now for this one, not necessary here, delete it. Okay, now it's almost done. Okay, now for this case here, we can use this mostly looking funny type of thing. So here we can see it's up. Okay, and now for this one, what I'm going to do, just take this one and rounded type of things. Okay, now little once copy trusted font. Now hit alt and shift here. For this time control Z, hit alt control. Okay, now hit this one, and now I'm going to change this color. Hit this one, I'm going to change alt and shift, control paste it here, and I'm going to change this color once more. Okay, now it's the final touch, copy pasted font. Now I'm going to change this time over it more. Okay, now it's looks funny type of illustrations. You can make more funny type of thing better than me. Just explore your imagination, explore your creativity. So you can put it here and just sorry for you can explore your creativity like this, you can make it here hand, this point of hand, and make some legs, funny legs, like this. You can make some hands and taking a another layer like this hands, and a leg like this. Okay, so it's a pointed crowd monster type of things. It's really looking very funny. Okay, and this is one thing, so you can turn it here. Okay, sorry, I need to fix this one. Paste it font now. Mm, okay, paste it font now. Okay, you can easily understand what sorry, it should be put it here from here, and now paste it. Okay, see, this is your monster like thing. Then shift it, shift, grouping everything, alt, sorry, grouping everything. Okay, further making more funny type of look, and you can create like this monster king. Okay, monster king like this. Just I'm trying to uh, explore your imaginations. So you can put it in your t-shirts design, or you can create something like that drunken monster pointed route. You can create like this, and it's most funniest and unique things, and post to description box. You can mail me with your creativity. Thank you very much for watching. Just uh, complete this or ending of this sessions. Thank you very much for watching. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.